Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. ISL ticket goof up a scam time. High Court of franchise owners should step in to unearth truth. Demands Vijay. Enthusiastic fans getting ready with big screens for semis. No students will have to attend school on Christmas holiday. HRD Minister Smriti Irani clears. Government faces heavy criticism over Good Governance Day plans. Special Court Panji rejects plea for FIR against Speaker Rajendra Arlekar in disproportionate assets case. Plea rejected due to lack of sanction from government. LDC in Ponda Sub-Registrar Bhupal Gaonkar booked for corruption. Illegally charged fee of Rs 1,500 for name change instead of Rs 100. And it's Friday release for Goa's National Games Dream. Goan delegation prepared with detailed presentation for IOA's General Body meeting in Chennai. Now the news in detail. There are allegations of scam and misappropriation in the ISL ticket fiasco. Fatodda MLA Vijay Sardesai says High Court or FC Goa franchises should intervene and step in now to find out why there was ticket misappropriation and shortage in the early stage. The second leg semi-final between FC Goa and Atlantico de Kolkata will be played on Wednesday at Fatodda. Goan fans are ready to watch the big battle with the big size screens.
The ticket shortage for the home leg semi-final between FC Goa versus Atletico de Kolkata match has irked ardent football fans in Panji at SAG counter and in South Goa. Fatodda MLA Vijay Sardesai alleged that it was a scam and truth behind shortage of tickets needs to be exposed.
Ticket खोपल्यो sold out जाल्यार कांय कोणाक सांगू ना तेन्ना पार्सेकार उलयत ना ओ सरकार आहा काय ना हेय कळना तिकीट सेल जी जाता तिकीटीची विक्री जी जाता या ISL तिकीटीचेर हाची ट्रान्सपरन्सी गरजेची ह्यो बुक माय शो आयले आनी हातून ऑफिशियल ब्लॅक चालू आहा पुलीस भितर घालतात आनी पयशे घेतात आनी हे रुलिंग पॉलिटिशियनाकूच तिकीटी कित्याक मेळटात हो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर आज जो मोनो जाला तो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टराक एक कोटा वता तिकीटीचो एवरी डे.
Vijay demands intervention of either the High Court or the franchisee owners of FC Goa.
High Court हातून इंटरव्हीन जावपाची गरज आहा. High Court has to step in. आणि हायकोर्ट जर स्टेप इन जायना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता दत्तराज साळगांवकार आणि बाबा धेंपो they should step in and bring about a system.
Meanwhile, the Goan fans are ready to watch the big battle with the big size screens. LED screen was erected at Azad Maidan in Panji for the FC Goa versus Kolkata first semis on Sunday evening. Football fans, though dejected, were seen enjoying the game in full spirits.
Very good, interesting. Ticket करपाक line लागलेले आमी morning like 6 o'clock we went. मागीर by 1 o'clock we came back.
आता मोडगांव आमी शुअर जिखतले दोन तरी मारतले तेंचेर हांव काल तिकेटीक गेल्लो कंपाल इंडोर स्टेडियमार सकाळींचो 5:00 उबो रावलो.
Had like a lot of people coming to the ground and cheering for us. We put up such a great setup and we got all the support. Goans love football and they've again showed it. Please come here on the 17th and show us all the support.
Fatodda MLA Vijay and Minister Avertano Furtado had also erected giant screens for football fans in their constituencies on Sunday. The big show has been planned again on 17 December for the second leg semi-final.
हांवूय फोर्सा गोवा म्हणटा कंप्लीट गोंयची टीम जिखपाक जाय हाजे खातीर आमी आतां हांगा LED स्क्रीन्स घालतात आमकांय बी खर्च पडटा तो ना न्ही तांचे खातीर म्हाका दिसता 17 तारखेक हांव परतोय घालतलो.
Savio Dias and video journalist Tulsidas Shari for Prudent.
Good Governance Day on the Christmas holiday has boomeranged on the Modi government. Independent MLA Vijay Sardesai and Congress party condemned government's move to observe Good Governance Day by calling students to school on Christmas holiday. Congress charged the BJP of trying to change the history and traditions. BJP says the reports are unauthenticated. Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani too cleared that Christmas holidays will not be cancelled.
Modi government is facing the heat from several political quarters in opposition for its Good Governance Day move on the Christmas holiday. Fatroda MLA Vijay Sardesai has condemned Modi government's attempt. MLA also slammed Parsekar-led government for poor administration.
क्रिसमसाची सुटी सेंट्रल इश्कोलांनी कॅन्सल करतात म्हणून and it will be kept as a good governance day म्हणून कित्याक अटल बिहारी वाजपेयीचो तो बर्थडे म्हणून गोंयकारांच्या वतीन I am condemning this. Catholics within the BJP should make their stand clear now because this government also takes decisions in the cabinet meeting, comes out and does not address the press. So this is the first time things are happening like this. देशाचो रक्षा मंत्रीच ना, he is holding additional charge as chief minister Goa. कित्याक सगळे administration only becomes active on weekends.
Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani, however, has cleared that the Christmas holiday will not be cancelled. The competitions will be held online.
25 दिसंबर को पूरा राष्ट्र क्रिसमस मना रहा है और इसीलिए जो विधिवत छुट्टी होती है उस दिन रहेगी छुट्टी. ऐसे कंपटीशन जो गुड गवर्नेंस के संदर्भ में होगा वो ऑनलाइन होगा, वॉलंटरी होगा.
Congress too criticized Union HRD Minister for creating confusion about Christmas holiday. Sunil Kauthankar alleged that the BJP is trying to change the trends and traditions in their favor.
आता हो गुड गव्हर्नन्स डे जो ते प्लॅन केला ताचो एंटायर जो तांचे इंटेंशन आसा that is not of celebrating good governance day. Their intention is to put down the significance of Christmas. Congress party strongly condemns this act of the central government. They are trying to prove is not Hindutva because Hindutva never teaches this. Hindutva teaches tolerance to other religions and other faiths. कुत्र्याची शेपडी वाकडी जी असता पळय ती केन्ना स्ट्रेट जावंक शकना. ही म्हण आसा आनी हांच्यांनी प्रूव करून दाखयला की आपूण कुत्र्याची शेपडे परत आमी वाकडे आसा.
When questioned on Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani's Christmas quote, BJP spokesperson Dr. Wilfred Mesquita said it's just an unauthenticated media report by only one newspaper.
I don't know how much it is confirmed. I don't know, other papers have not brought it, so I will not comment on it unless and until there is a clear-cut orders or instruction from the government of India. So this is just a newspaper report.
Mesquita says drugs menace will always remain, but only BJP-led government has succeeded in bringing the percentage of crime down in last 3 years.
Wanted zero tolerance to corruption. Corruption is still there. See, ultimately, who is doing this corruption? When I want to go on, so the government servants are not from outside Goa. To identify and to catch him, it's difficult because the people do not come out and tell that the man is demanding money. Zero tolerance to corruption is not to make corruption zero. See, there is a difference. Tell me, we had promised to make corruption zero. That is a wrong thing. Zero corruption is impossible in a country like India. The crime rate has definitely increased from 2011 by 4%, but it has decreased from 2013 to 2014. Conviction rate is 4% higher than the last year. So I said, for what we have done for the last 1 year has not been done for 10 years. Drug minutes ago, it was severe, but it is there. There's no question about it.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.